Hi everyone. In this video we will learn how to calculate discount in Excel using formula. So if a product costs 1000 and there's a 15% discount, what's the final price? Here we'll learn the exact Excel formula to calculate this. So here I have the list of prices for these products, and let's say there's a discount of 15%. To calculate the final price after a discount involves two steps. First step is to find the discount amount, which is original price multiplied by the discount percentage, and then you calculate the final price, which is equal to original price minus the discount amount. So first we'll calculate the discount amount. We say original price multiplied by the discount percentage. So the discount amount comes to 15 for laptop, and then you calculate the final price by subtracting the discount amount from the original price. I'll say D6 minus, I'll say the original price minus discount amount. So the final price is 85. So now I can combine the two steps and write just one formula. I'll say original price minus parenthesis, I'll say original price multiplied by the discount percentage. So basically I combine the two steps. This part calculates the discount amount, and then I subtract that from the original price to get the final price. You can also use another formula to calculate the final price. You just say is equal to the original price multiplied by 1 minus the discount percentage. So I'll say 1 minus the discount percentage. So the discount percentage is 15 and 1 is equivalent to 100%. So 100 minus 15 is equal to 85%. So is equal to original price multiplied by, in parenthesis, 1 minus the discount percentage. So this is another way of calculating the final price after the discount. I have applied the second formula here to get the final price. Now I can apply the formula to multiple rows by just dragging it down, but D14 is the discount percentage and we need to lock it because Excel by default uses relative referencing. So if when I copy the rows, it will change this cell, and we don't want that. We want D14 to remain locked because that is the discount percentage. So I'll say $, and now I'll drag it across to the other products. Sorry, not to the discount percentage. I've covered referencing in another video. Please find the link. So some common mistakes that beginners do is that they forget to give the parentheses properly. If you do not give the parentheses properly, the sequence of calculations will change and it will give you a different result. So make sure the parentheses are given properly. Secondly, you don't have to multiply by 100 anywhere. You can use the percentage icon. So the percentage icon formats it correctly. And most important is that if you want to give a 15% discount, then you don't write it as 15, you write it as 0.15. And when you use this percentage icon, Excel will format it as 15%. So don't just say 15, you write 0.15 and then use the percentage icon to format it. Here's a bonus tip. So let's say you have the discounted price. How do you calculate the original price from the discounted price? So to calculate the original price, you say is equal to discounted price divided by 1 minus the discount percentage. This will give you the original price. So that's all in this video. You may check out the video on percentage basics, or you can go through the video on how to calculate percentage increase or decrease. Thanks for watching.